Iqbal's family background played a crucial role in shaping his worldview. His father was known for his piety and wisdom, which undoubtedly influenced Iqbal's philosophical outlook. His early education in a traditional maktab and later at the Scotch Mission College in Sialkot exposed him to both classical Islamic teachings and Western thought. Iqbal's quest for knowledge led him to Europe, where he studied philosophy at Cambridge University and earned a doctorate from the University of Munich. It was during this period that he delved deeply into Western philosophy, literature, and politics, which significantly broadened his intellectual horizons, but it was Iqbal's poetry that truly set him apart. Writing primarily in Persian and Urdu, his works conveyed profound philosophical ideas and a deep sense of social and political consciousness. His famous works like Asrar Kuti Secrets of the Self and Banj Dra The Call of the Marching Bell are masterpieces that explore the themes of selfhood, spirituality, and the collective awakening of Muslims. Iqbal's impact wasn't limited to poetry. He was a visionary who foresaw the creation of a separate homeland for Muslims in the Indian subcontinent. His correspondence with leaders like Muhammad Ali Jinnah was instrumental in articulating the need for Pakistan. Iqbal's 1930 presidential address to the All India Muslim League is considered a defining moment in the Pakistan movement. I would like to see the Punjab, Northwest Frontier Province, Sindh, and Baluchistan amalgamated into a single state. Self-government within the British Empire, or without the British Empire, the formation of a consolidated Northwest Indian Muslim state appears to me to be the final destiny of the Muslims, at least of Northwest India. Beyond politics, Iqbal was a strong advocate for social reforms. He emphasized the importance of education, self-reliance, and spiritual development. His ideas on the reconstruction of religious thought in Islam sought to harmonize Islamic principles with the modern world, advocating for a dynamic interpretation of faith. Today, Allama Iqbal's legacy continues to inspire generations.
इश्क भी हो हिजाब में, हुस्न भी हो हिजाब में, या तू खुद आश्कार हो या मुझे आश्कार कर। ہے خاک فلسطین پہ یہودی کا اگر حق، ہسپانیہ پر حق نہیں کیوں اہل عرب کا؟ مقصد ہے ملوکیت انگلیس کا کچھ اور، قصہ نہیں نارنج کا یا شہد و رطب کا۔ غرض میں کیا کہوں تجھ سے کہ وہ صحرا نشین کیا تھے، جہانگیرو، جہاں دارو، جہاں بانو، جہاں آرا۔ کیا خوب امیر فیصل کو سنوسی نے پیغام دیا، تو نام و نسب کا حجازی ہے پر دل کا حجازی بن نہ سکا۔ تر آنکھیں تو ہو جاتی ہیں پر کیا لذت اس رونے میں، جب خون جگر کی آمیزش سے اشک پیازی بن نہ سکا۔ خودی کو کر بلند اتنا کہ ہر تقدیر سے پہلے خدا بندے سے خود پوچھے، بتا تیری رضا کیا ہے۔